Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best ergonomic chairs that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're looking for a chair for work, gaming, or just long hours at your desk, we've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Kimipa Ergonomic Office Chair with retractable footrest. This chair is the most budget-friendly option on our list, coming in at just $89.99. It features a modern ergonomic design with adjustable lumbar support and a multi-directional headrest, making it a great choice for maintaining healthy posture during long work sessions. One standout feature is its retractable footrest, which transforms the chair into a comfortable recliner for quick breaks. Combined with its breathable mesh fabric and sponge cushioning, the chair ensures good airflow and comfort throughout the day. However, the seat depth of only 3.94 inches might be a bit shallow for those who prefer more padding. The chair supports up to 400 pounds, which is impressive for its price point, but the build quality, while decent, feels less robust compared to some premium models. Overall, the Kimipa chair is an excellent value for casual office use or gaming setups. While it doesn't offer advanced adjustability like some higher-end models, its affordability, footrest feature, and ergonomic design make it ideal for budget-conscious buyers who need comfort for prolonged sitting. Coming in at number 4 is the DF Live Ergonomic Office Chair. Priced at $99.99, this chair offers impressive features like a 3-level adjustable tilt backrest, 3D headrests, and armrests, making it highly customizable for different sitting preferences. The standout feature here is the SGS Class 4 gas cylinder, which ensures safety and reliable height adjustments. The chair is constructed with breathable mesh fabric, providing excellent ventilation for long hours of sitting, while the adjustable lumbar support effectively reduces strain on your lower back. It also supports a maximum weight of 400 pounds, making it a durable choice for various body types. The retractable footrest is another highlight, allowing for relaxation during breaks. However, the design feels slightly bulky, and the armrests don't swivel as smoothly as some other models on the list. The DF Live chair is ideal for those who want a mix of functionality and affordability. It's great for home offices, gaming rooms, or study setups, providing solid comfort and adjustability for a reasonable price. Its slightly heavier frame might not suit users looking for a lightweight chair, but it's a reliable option overall. At number 3, we have the Capot Ergonomic Mesh Office Chair. While the price isn't available at the moment, this chair delivers premium features that make it a standout choice for users who need a chair for extended hours of work or study. It boasts micro-adjustable lumbar support that aligns perfectly with your spine, reducing lower back pressure and fatigue significantly. The chair's 4D flip-up arms, 3D headrest, and 3 tilt backrest positions provide unmatched versatility for different sitting postures. The Aerovith mesh material enhances airflow, while the enlarged seat cushion reduces pelvic pressure, ensuring long-lasting comfort. Additionally, it supports up to 400 pounds thanks to its durable stainless steel base and SGS-certified gas lift. However, the chair's weight at 38 pounds might make it less convenient to move around. The Capot chair shines in performance, offering tailored comfort and a solid build that lasts. It's perfect for professionals who need ergonomic support for long work hours, but its heavier frame might not appeal to users seeking portability. Overall, this chair is a premium choice for productivity and comfort. At number 2 is the Marcel Ergonomic Office Chair, priced at $118.99. This chair hits the sweet spot between affordability and features, making it a popular choice for office workers and gamers alike. It offers a fully adjustable setup, including a 2D headrest, 3D armrests, and a 90 degrees to 120 degrees reclining backrest, ensuring you can customize your seating experience to match your posture. The lumbar support system stands out as a highlight, providing both forward and backward and up and down adjustments to perfectly fit your spine. The seat is generously padded with 3.14-inch thick high-density foam, offering excellent comfort even during long sessions. The chair supports up to 300 pounds and features smooth rolling wheels for easy mobility, although the armrests, while adjustable, can feel slightly less sturdy compared to other models. For those seeking a mid-range ergonomic chair that doesn't compromise on key features, the Marcel chair is a strong contender. It's ideal for home offices and gaming setups, offering solid comfort and adjustability at a reasonable price. And finally, at number 1, we have the Trout Office Chair Ergonomic Desk Chair, priced at $169.99. This premium chair is designed for professionals who demand the highest level of comfort and adjustability during long hours of work or gaming. Supporting up to 330 pounds, the chair features tailored lumbar support, adjustable seat height, backrest, headrest, and flip-up arms, making it suitable for users between 5'5" and 6'2". The breathable mesh fabric ensures excellent airflow, while the spacious seat dimensions provide comfort for various body types. Its recline function allows for tilting between 90 degrees and 120 degrees, perfect for both focused work and relaxation. The durable 5-point metal base and silent rolling wheels make it a sturdy and quiet addition to any workspace. Assembly is a breeze with a clear manual included, and the chair comes with a lifetime warranty for peace of mind. The Trout chair is the ultimate choice for those seeking high-end ergonomic features and build quality. While it's the most expensive option on our list, its advanced adjustability, premium materials, and reliable warranty make it worth every penny. Ideal for executives, gamers, and professionals, this chair sets the standard for ergonomic office seating. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.